already know, my name is Bo, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Man, first and foremost, I feel like I need to apologize to everybody for my absence. I'm not gonna lie, life has been pure hell on me in the months leading up to me making this video. So far, so good. You're still here, I'm thankful for that. I'm still here in a new location, if you haven't noticed. I'm also thankful for that as well. Hey, without further ado, let's toss the parachute and dive right on in.
You think we didn't jump out of the plane because of a light breeze? You're in the shit now, mustache!
So today is a very special day. Today marks the day that I start the motorcycle build, finally. What does that mean? Okay, let me break that down to you. About a year ago, I got a motorcycle with the intention of building it for a YouTube channel. The very first video I was gonna put on YouTube was gonna be like the motorcycle. Anyways, I didn't have an opportunity to do that due to unforeseen circumstances. You know, life just comes at you sometimes and it changes your direction, it changes your path.
It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward.
Things are different now. So as you can see right here, this bike is far from stock. This gas tank is definitely not stock. Actually, this gas tank came from a Harley. These handlebars right here are made for a Honda Shadow. All of the fairings have already been pulled off. There is no seat. Yeah, long story. And some of the frame has already been cut right here. If you can see that right there, it's been cut. So yeah, another notable thing, this is a truck mirror. And something else is pretty cool about this thing. That is a valve spring from a Chevy 350. That was a pretty cool way to mount the gas tank, I think. But it still needs a lot of work. So in order to do a bob job on this bike, we're actually gonna have to cut the frame from about right here and about right here. And then we're gonna have to cut a lot of this crap out right here, cut a lot of this bar off right here, and weld a solid piece of steel tubing from here to here. That makes it a solid or rigid frame. With all that being said, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to get to it. That's pretty much gonna wrap up today's episode on Hard Knocks Customs. Hope y'all enjoyed the video of the teardown process on this motorcycle. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can stay in tune with projects like this one and a lot more to come. Really appreciate y'all being here. Hope to see y'all again soon. Don't forget, stay real, stay true, stay blessed.